Alright, y'all, I'm very excited about getting this new griddle. It's an electric griddle by Turbo, and I absolutely hate my Blue Diamond griddle. So I was ecstatic whenever they sent me an email and they wanted me to test this out, because I'm a kitchen guru, and oh my goodness, camper or not, I cook everything from scratch. But I'm very excited. Oh, look! It comes in a handy dandy case. And look how flat this is. My Blue Diamond, it sits about this high. It don't fit anywhere, so I have to leave it out all the time. It's very annoying. I don't like it. So I'm very excited to try this. I haven't even seen it yet. Okay, so this is super cool. I did kind of look it up online before it got here. And it comes apart. So that's the beauty of this thing, is instead of it having to stay together all the time, it breaks down way flatter so you can have somewhere to put it. So here we go. Ooh, speckledy looking. Big enough for 2 ribeyes.
Supposed to be non-stick, huh?
Yeah. And let's see how it folds together. Oh wow, so this part just hangs out right there. And this part, it looks like you have the little... That's cool.
Pretty easy.
I love that. And crazy enough, the Blue Diamond has a little thing on the end where you can drip the grease out. But if you forget to put the little cup on there, you got a whole mess. So I like the way this is made because it kind of holds all of your juices and all of your meat fats on here. I use my meat fats like bacon grease and stuff to cook other things later. Put it in a jar. So that'll make it easy so I can just pour it out when I'm done. So that's pretty exciting. And on here it says that it heats up to 425 in 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes.
It has a nice manual here.
I'm just going to show you the difference between this griddle and my other one. So basically this Blue Diamond one, which I do not like, that I just thought I would because I love Blue Diamond's cookware. Hate it. Can't ever figure out how to get it. Sticks real hard over it. There we go. Maybe, there we go. Oh, probably not. You know what? I don't like it. I'm done with it. I'm never going to use it again. I hate it. I'm done with it. Never going to use it again. If I want it, you can have it. But now I have a new one, and I'm very excited about it. Super excited about it. Y'all know we boondock a lot, so it's pretty cool that the most this thing's ever going to take is 850 watts. Yeah. 120 volt. Perfect. 12-month warranty. FDA approved and recycled. 100 to 465 degree range, so you can cook basically anything. It is 824. Says press and hold for 3 seconds, so it's touchscreen it looks like. And we're going to turn it on. I'm just going to go 400. Actually, I'm going to go 350. So based on the instructions, it says it will flash until it gets to the temperature I need it to be. And that it'll stop flashing when it's at proper temp. I'm going to do the test of all tests. I'm going to fry an egg on it. Scrambled egg. With no butter, no oil, no nothing. Because those stick to a lot of things. So let's go. Maverick's goofy butt ate a hook the other day. And he's still on a soft food diet. And since he's on a soft food diet, eggs it is. And it looks like it's to temperature, and it is 826. And well, if we're being honest, it was already ready, and I just didn't see it yet. But here we go. I will say, it does look like it's not just perfectly flat. It looks like it does bow just a little bit. But, you know, a good way to test it. Look at that, y'all. It is actually non-stick. Wow, I'm impressed. Not a lot of stuff that says it's non-stick is actually non-stick. Eggs always seem to stick. So, perfect. Alright. Got Mavik's concoction over here. You are a lucky dog, you know that? You're lucky we love you. Alright, we're heating up our Turbro griddle again. I'm gonna try to make some red potatoes on here while Rob grills flays outside. So I've got my potatoes finished cooking in here. And Rob and Maverick are out here making our yummy fillets. You know, what he does best. Tonight's our first go trying using the Turbro outside. We're cooking dinner for my nephews. And don't forget that putting lemon on your fish removes any of that fishy flavor you might have. Just for reference, this stuff looks kind of cooked on there, right? I mean, it really does look cooked on there pretty good. I'm talking, this thing is impressive. I can't believe that. It's blowing my mind every time I use this thing, how good it is. Wow. I about feel like I'm going to start cooking on this thing, everything, because even if you cook and it's looks like it would be really on there, it's not. It wipes right off. Looks like our go at trying pork chops on the griddle turned out absolutely fabulous. What do you think? Not kidding when I say when you look at this, it looks like it would take some real scrubbing to get all of this off. But as you see, I'm still only using a wet paper towel. So in case you're curious, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of sausage. 2 little pieces, well that's not little, those are thick cut pieces of bacon. Looking at this Turbo Electric Griddle, I've noticed something else. This whole thing is magnetic, which I thought it was just the little divot spots at first, but no, the divot spots help, absolutely. However, what if you need to cook on a really smaller space than that? Then you can put one leg here, one leg there, and be able to cook on a lot smaller of a surface. That's pretty cool. I want to show you how easy this thing is to tear apart. You just got your cord, then the feet come off of it, which is crazy. I'm just absolutely in love with this thing. Best griddle I've ever heard of. And then you can put your little feet back in here. I'm just impressed with this thing and how it works and how easy it is. And just like that, you can put it flat wherever you want it. And this fits so much better than that blue diamond that I had. So I'm very much in love with this. We do not do dishonest reviews. If I don't like something, I'm just not going to post it, because if you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. Love this. So if you are in the market for a griddle, I'm going to suggest this one. It's amazing. So now you're going to have your Camper Cooking with Bethany episodes on a cool new griddle next time. When you are ready to take your cooking to the next level and you want way fewer dishes with way less elbow grease, make sure you pick up this Turbro griddle today. You are going to absolutely love it. I'm putting the link right here to get this product and a discount using our code. Or if you don't really need a griddle and you want to see what else they have on their website, scan right here and you'll still get a discount because it will be showing up under our name. Yes, we have become affiliates with Turbro, and anything that you purchase we will get a slight commission on, but Y'all know us by now, and integrity means more to us than absolutely anything. I would rather die broke and alone with my integrity still intact than to lie to people simply for a few bucks. So, if you're looking for the next awesome product for your kitchen, be it in a camper or in your house, make sure you pick this Turbo up today. Anyway, guys, we post video every Tuesday, so if you haven't yet checked out our channel, we have been full-time RVing since 2020, and I can assure you there are plenty of awesome places on our channel that would probably really interest you. Anyway, guys, see y'all again next week.